Hello everyone, welcome to another quick video. Today I'll show you how to remove the badge on A class. So this badge should have one or two holes here and it's just pushed in. You're gonna need some prying tools. Here has no glue all around from what I've seen. So there you go, this is how you remove it. So it has 3 holes here. I'll wrap this one black and I'm gonna put it back. I've wrapped it, not my best job, but it is what it is. To put it back, just push it in. While I was there, I removed the A150 badge. I didn't film while I was removing it, but you can find a video on the channel how I done on the Astram. I think it looks a lot better without the badge. As always, I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and see you on the next one.